I got another video here for the scalar trailer assembly. This time we're covering the Overland utility box. So this is the main box. You'll need to print one of these. As you can see, I've painted this one. You'll need the box top, box door, box tail, a handle. This is the low profile version. I'll be doing a different version that's easier to open, but not as, I'd say, scale or low profile looking. And the tag holder, or the license plate holder. 2 taillights. One of them's already installed here. So first thing we'll do, we'll assemble the door. Pretty straightforward. Take the tag holder, make sure the thick part's in the top, pop it in the door there. It should fit with a little clearance. I painted it, so I kind of took up that clearance, but that's pretty much it for that. We can put a couple of dabs of glue on the back just to hold it in place there a little bit better. This is totally optional depending on your fit, but I'd like it to not go anywhere. After that, you'll push the door handle into place. Make sure you're putting it in the right direction. Make a nice snap. There's your door. Now we'll go ahead and we'll see about fitting the hinge. You'll probably need to do a little bit of work on the tabs here to get them to snap in smoothly. I had to sand them a little bit. But let's see, so if that drops in there, I used it's about 0.46 inch wire. You'll probably need a clearance drill, so I'd get some wire and a drill bit slightly bigger than it. You're gonna shove it up through, oh, that went through easy, into the hinge there. You can test it. Pretty nice. So you want to shove it up through the hinge there. You probably want to mark it, kind of where it sticks out. And then pull it back and cut it. So I kind of marked it there. Make sure that's kind of as far in as it goes. We'll pull it back. Trim it where I marked it. Kind of press that in there a little bit. That's your door assembled into your tail there. Pretty simple. So I'm going to press the other tail light in now. These fit 5mm bulbs. I made 2 different sizes. My first go around, they fit a little too tight for what I wanted. So I added a little more clearance around them, but I'll let you choose what you want to do. I printed them in clear PETG. They look pretty good, I think, in transparent red. I just didn't have any. I think these look pretty good though, and clear as well. So press that into place, right like that. That's starting to look pretty good. We're gonna use 2 M2x5s through the bottom. Now you don't have to go crazy tight with these. They are self-tappers, so you can see the thread's pretty aggressive. They look kind of like a wood or sheet metal screw. So there you go. Now from the back, you'll notice there's these two spots here. Those are for M2x8s. Any of this stuff really, you could substitute glue. You know, I just wanted to use hardware so I could take this apart if I needed to at any point. Alright, so there's the tail assembled. Not bad. Now if you notice on the inside, I modeled it with supports and also passageways for any wiring for like your taillights, or if you wanted to add any other wiring for any reason. I'm just going to keep the battery in here, but you could certainly put scale accessories in. Last piece here, the top. I kind of went a little overboard with the number of screws, I think, for maybe most applications, but it does have spots for 6 M2x8s, and I have them, so I might as well use them.
There's one.
All right, so there's your top attached. That's pretty much the end of your assembly. Now you'd could attach this to your frame. There's 4 spots for 4 more M2x8s, and you'd be all set. I mentioned earlier in the video, this handle isn't easy to get open. My plan basically was to just have a small tool or something to kind of gently lift it open. Like I said, I'll provide a second version of this that you could grab with your hand to, you know, pinch it with your fingers and pull on it. I just wanted this version because I thought it looked a little more low profile and scale, like you'd see on a, you know, actual truck trailer.